Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best grafting knife is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious fruit tree enthusiast or professional orchardist, enabling precise cuts that are crucial for successful grafting, a technique that combines desirable traits from different plants to create stronger, more productive trees, ultimately leading to healthier harvests and a more diverse range of fruit varieties. Number 5. ZALALOVA 2-in-1 Garden Grafting Tool Kit. Introducing the Professional Gardening Grafting Tool Kit. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for successful grafting. Crafted with high-carbon steel blades and robust ABS plastic handles, these tools are built for lasting performance. They allow for pruning and grafting simultaneously. The dual-purpose grafting knife features a sharp stainless steel blade, perfect for precisely cutting scion and stalk. It ensures a clean and effective graft. Achieve a high survival rate with 3 replaceable cutting blades, suitable for branches between 5 mm and 12 mm in diameter. Regular lubrication will extend the life of the blades. The kit comes with grafting films to protect your plants, stretchable rubber bands for secure fixing, and colorful labels for easy identification. The oil on the blade is a protective measure against air and moisture, helping to prevent rust and maintain sharpness. Keep your tools in optimal condition. What we like. This kit offers an extensive range of accessories for all your grafting needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that includes everything from blades to tapes and labels, this is the one for you. It's ideal for beginners and experienced gardeners alike who want a one-stop shop for successful grafting. What people say. This grafting knife is sharp and sturdy, making clean cuts every time. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It comes with a protective sheath, which is convenient for storage and safety. Number 4. NAYE 2-in-1 Garden Grafting Tool Kit. Discover the ultimate tool for fruit tree care. This innovative kit is designed to make grafting easier and more effective than ever before. Equipped with high-quality stainless steel and Japan SK5 double-edged blades, it ensures precise and clean cuts every time. 3 types of replaceable blades are included for various grafting needs. Beyond grafting, its robust pruning blade effortlessly handles leaves, twigs, and stems. You won't need to switch tools for basic pruning tasks. It's designed to cut branches with diameters from 316 to 1732 inches. The precise cuts ensure a perfect fit between woods, maximizing cambium contact. By ensuring a perfect fit, this tool significantly improves the survival rate of your grafts. Achieve professional results with ease. Constructed with high-strength ABS plastic and premium blades, it's built to last. This is the professional grafting solution you've been looking for. What we like. With enhanced blades and high-quality SK5 steel, this tool ensures precise and clean cuts every time. If you prioritize a tool that guarantees a perfect fit between scion and stalk for maximum cambium contact and a significantly improved survival rate, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who demand high success rates in their grafting projects. What people say. The grafting knife is sharp and durable, making clean cuts for successful grafting. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring rust resistance and longevity. Number 3. Grafting knife with 2 blades and 2 tapes. Experience precision with our rust-resistant stainless steel blades. They stay sharp for all your grafting, bark lifting, and pruning needs, and include a bark lifter for effortless plant care. Work comfortably for longer periods with the smooth rosewood handle. Its lightweight design provides a secure grip, even when wet. Achieve a high success rate with the included premium grafting tapes. They protect your grafts from dehydration and pests, boosting survival rates significantly. This versatile tool is perfect for grafting fruit trees, roses, and vegetables. It's also ideal for mushroom harvesting, cutting ropes, pruning branches, and everyday garden tasks. Take it anywhere. This compact folding knife fits easily in your pocket or tool belt. A safety lock ensures it stays securely closed when not in use. What we like. This grafting knife stands out with its foldable, portable design and comfortable rosewood handle. If you value convenience, portability, and ergonomic comfort for prolonged use, this tool is an excellent choice. It's ideal for gardeners who are often on the go or need a reliable, easy-to-carry tool for various tasks, including bark lifting. What people say. The blade is sharp and cuts cleanly, making grafting easier. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use. It's a versatile tool that works well for various grafting techniques. Number 2. Pro Grafting Tool Kit. Experience surgical precision with our Grafting Tool Kit. Its high-carbon steel blades deliver clean cuts, ensuring a higher success rate for your grafting projects. This comprehensive kit includes everything a professional needs. From grafting knives and tape to labels and clips, it's perfect for fruit trees and vines. Our interchangeable blades are designed for optimal performance. The patented V-groove design automatically aligns branches, reducing strain during extended use. This tool is your year-round garden companion. Secure delicate vines with the multifunctional clips and rely on weather-resistant labels to keep your plants identified. Approved by horticulturalists, this kit comes with a 5-year blade warranty and an illustrated guide. It's the ideal gift for any gardening enthusiast. What we like. Experience surgical precision with SK5 steel blades and a complete kit that includes helpful clips for securing delicate vines. If you are a professional or a serious hobbyist who demands the highest accuracy, durability, and support, including a 5-year blade warranty and a grafting guide, this is the tool for you. It's designed for those who work with a variety of fruit trees and vines. What people say. The blade is sharp and cuts cleanly, making grafting easier. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use. It comes with a protective sheath, which is great for safety and storage. Number 1. QWORK Gardening Grafting Cutter. Meet the QWORK Gardening Grafting Cutter, your essential tool for plant propagation. This versatile tool is designed for both grafting and pruning, making plant care easier. The package includes 1 manual grafting cutter and 2 rolls of grafting tape in different sizes. This ensures you have everything you need for successful grafting. Crafted with a stainless steel blade and a comfortable wooden handle, it's built for durability and ease of use. The specialized cutters allow for precise cuts every time. This manual tool is perfect for a variety of gardening tasks. Use it for grafting buds, pruning, weeding, and even sawing branches with high efficiency. The grafting tape is made from a high-quality PE grafting film, ensuring it adheres well and promotes healthy plant growth. It's designed specifically for gardening applications. Its efficient design makes grafting and pruning effortless. Save time and achieve professional results in your garden with this indispensable tool. What we like. This manual grafting cutter offers precise control for detailed work, featuring both curved and straight cutters for versatility. If you prefer a straightforward, manual tool that allows for exact placement and is paired with essential repair tapes, this is a great option. It's particularly suitable for those who enjoy the hands-on aspect of grafting and need a reliable tool for plant repair. What people say. The grafting knife is sharp and cuts cleanly, making grafting easier. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.